Here's another beautiful Mustang just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car is a 2014 Roush Stage 3 Coupe. This car has a little over 33,000 miles on it. Got 5.0 underneath the hood. Roush charged. Putting out 575 horse and 505 pound-feet of torque. So this one will get up and go. Haul the mail, as they say. Very stunning with the color combinations. Stands out. It's not like your everyday average Mustang GT that you see going down the road. Car's in extremely nice shape. Interior with its Roush appointments to it, as far as the blue stitching in the seat, kind of the suede inlays, Jack Roush signature decal on the dash, the different placards on the inside. The other thing about these cars is how good they sound. We'll start it up in a little bit, but they got a nice little bark to them, rumble. Again, the Coyote 5.0 underneath the hood with that Roush charger on it. I mean, it's what you'd expect. Some horsepower. Very, very nice driver. Wouldn't be afraid to get in this one and go at all. It's car number 348. Made for the 2014 model year. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the plaques and the engine bay and underneath the car and the trunk and interior and all the good stuff, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Chrome wheels in this car, very nice shape, no road rash all the way around. Decent rubber left on them, on the tires also. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of this. It does have the original floor mats. I have them in the pictures, so if you look at the still pictures, you'll see them. I did take them out and I throw them in the trunk just so they don't get dirty. They're in nice shape. See the inserts, the Roush blue stitching. Same with the seats here. Show you something else. This is kind of the nap, they call it, of the suede. It'll kind of change the color, so it's still subtle, very nice, not stained. You can see the seats aren't torn. It does have the 6-speed in it. Shaker stereo system. Roush Stage 3 gauge cluster. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. There's the miles on it, 33,000, no engine lights. Only lights on is the seat belt, since I don't have mine on. Check out the shaker stereo system. Slip around to the back so you can hear this rumble. Again, we're indoors, so it's a little louder than it would be outside, but very, very nice sound. Sounds as good as it looks. 2014 Roush Stage 3 Coupe. Give us a call. You got any questions? 507-386-1726. Check out any of the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.